and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we're going to be unboxing the February 2023 Precuts Classic Quilt Box. If you're new to Precuts Classic Quilt Boxes, they are a monthly sewing and quilting subscription box. They have all kinds of fabric and notions and other goodies inside. I'm going to show you what's inside the February box, but I also want to mention that they have a stash builder box, which is just all fabric. It's amazing, so definitely check out their website to see which box you prefer. I will make sure to put a link on where you can get these boxes below this video. You can also just visit www.precutsquiltshop.com. All right, let's take a look and see what's inside this month's box. So each box has a little insert here that tells all about the things in your box as well as the designer. This month's fabric designer featured is Lori Woods of Poppy Cotton, and there is some really fun fabric in here. I always love Poppy Cotton fabric. But let's start out with the notions. So the first notion that I have, these are by Beverly McCullough for Riley Blake Designs. There are 3 tags in here. They are perfect for all your handmade projects. I think bags would be really cute to add these to. They are laser engraved, and they range from sizes 1 by 1 inch by 1.5 by 1.5 inches. They retail for $9.95, and like I said, there are 3 in there. One of the other really cute things that I love adding these to are my knit hats, because it's really cute. You can just punch a couple holes in the sides of these tags and just put them right on the brim. So very cute. I also wanted to mention that my bag came in another one of these, I like to call them project bags, because they are zippable bags. They are like a plastic, kind of a mesh plastic, which is great. These are perfect for smaller projects, like if you cross stitch or if you do English paper piecing, any kind of smaller stitchy project, you can definitely put in here. You could even put a smaller knitting or crochet project in here. So I love that they've been sending my project bags out in a bag that I can reuse. They do list this bag as part of your package contents, and they retail for $8. It looks like they send out a variety of colors. Last month I got a green one, so this month I got pink. The next thing in our box, and I'm really happy to see one of these, are misting spray bottles. This one's designed by Lori Holt. It retails for $14.99, and they are perfect for liquid starch, or just if you're wanting to just spray water onto one of your fabrics or blocks to get out some wrinkles. I'm going to go ahead and open this one up. I actually needed another one of these because my daughter took my last one for whenever we cut hair. We just have water in it and we use it to mist. So I'm glad that I got this one. It's of course really cute for my sewing room. And so since it's red, I can easily note that I have starch in here. And these are great. These are the continuous mist bottles. So they're really fun for starch, because when you press down to spray, it kind of continuously sprays a really nice fine mist, which I love. Now I did ask if these get clogged up if you're using starch. I actually put Mary Ellen's Best Press in these, and I haven't had an issue. I'm not sure if you put a heavier starch in here, if that would cause a problem. So leave a comment below letting me know if you've used one of these with a heavier starch and if the nozzle got clogged up or anything like that, because it is a pretty fine mist bottle, and I could see if you're using a heavy starch that might get clogged up. The pattern for this month is really cute. This is called Hop Hop Bunny, and it retails for $12. They are saying it finishes at 57 by 60. There was, quilt size plus 3 borders and with no borders. So they actually have a few different size options on here if you want to add the borders or skip the borders. So that's kind of nice. And then of course they have fabric requirements on the back, but look at those cute little bunnies. Those are adorable. This would be such a fun spring pattern. All right, on to our fabric. We did get a nice chunk of fabric here. This, I'm assuming, is for our binding. Yes, a ½ yard of fabric for the binding. This retails for $8, and it's just one of Poppy Cotton's cute gingham-y prints. This one is pink and red with a little bit of peach in there, so very cute. And I love doing gingham bindings or plaid bindings, because it just really, with all the different print on there, I just think it makes it really cute. All right, and then of course the most fun part here is our fabric bundle. And by the way, if you've seen any of my unboxings for Precuts quilt boxes, one of my favorite things is the amount of fabric that you get. They don't skip on fabric. You really get a ton in these boxes, which makes it awesome. But let's take a close-up look. So let's take a close-up look of this fabric. This is a fat eighth bundle of poppy cotton fabric. There are 21 fat eighths in here, and it retails for $56. And I went ahead and just kind of spread them out for you so you can see all of the different prints. Here is a close-up of the main print that you get with those cute little bunnies and sewing machines. It is so cute, and Lori is such a great artist. She always comes up with the most adorable fabric, so this is so much fun. And you just have a really nice variety of pinks, reds, yellows, and that kind of minty green color, so very fun. So as you can see, you get a ton of fabric in these boxes. So that's one of my favorite things about the pre-cuts boxes. Okay, that's everything in our box, along with $10.60 of shipping. The total retail value for this box is $115.60. So that is a really good value. The boxes are a little bit more expensive. They are $55 a month, I think. There's a possibility they've gone up with the new year, but I think they're still at $55. So you're just going to want to check their website to verify the price for that. But that is going to be my unboxing for the February 2023 Pre-Cuts Classic Quilt Box. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. That's going to be it for today. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you next time. And by the way, if you're curious of this beautiful wall that I have right here, that is a video that is going to be coming soon. I managed to get a hold of one of the beautiful Quilting Star walls from Feltrite Tiles, and it is awesome. I didn't want to pin anything on it because it's so pretty all by itself, but it is technically a design board, but I'll share more about that in the next video. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we're unboxing, what are we unboxing?